Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on a delightful journey to explore a world filled with amazing decoration items that will elevate your home decor to new heights. Are you ready to transform your living spaces into heavens of style and personality? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we will introduce you to a treasure trove of decoration items that will inspire your inner decor and help you create space that truly feel like home. Let's dive right in and discover these intricate decorations items together. Stunning wall art. We will start with the power of wall art, from captivating paintings to unique sculptures that can turn into your walls into galleries of inspiration. Cushions and throws. Explore the cozy world of cushions and throws where you will find the perfect balance between comfort and style. Discover how a few well chosen cushions can breathe life into your sofas and beds. Elegant lighting. We will shed light on the importance of lighting decor. See how the right lighting fixtures can set the mood and enhance the ambience of any room. Charming tableware. Dining is in style is an art form, and we will showcase elegant tableware and centerpieces that will make every meal feel like a special occasion. Indoor plants, bringing a touch of nature indoors with the magic of indoor plants. We will guide you on choosing the right plant and decorative pots to create green, serene spaces. Mirrors and mirror decor. Reflect on the beauty of mirrors and mirror decor that can open your rooms and add a touch of glamour. Candles and candle holders. Discover your candles and candle holder can add warmth and cozy atmosphere to any space. We will show you creative way to incorporate them into your decor. Rugs and carpets. Explore the world of rugs and carpets that can define areas and add textures and colors to your floors. Unique decor pieces. From vintage find to handcrafted treasure, we will introduce you to one of a kind decoration item that will make your decor stand out. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or just started your decor journey, our video will provide you with ideas and inspiration to make your space uniquely yours.